So guys, camera it's not working, getting some error. So how to fix? So first method guys, check camera permissions. So click to start, go to setting, then privacy and security. Okay, then slow down and click on camera. Okay, so if it is off, so kindly enable. Okay, and then all on, then close it. Check camera app. So click to second method, click to start, go to setting, then click to app, install app, wait few seconds, camera, click to three dot, then click to advanced options, scroll down, then click reset, then click to repair, then single click to terminate, then close it. Next method, check device manager from error. So right click to windows icon and go to device manager and just click to scan and hardware changes. Okay, and then close it. Check windows update, click and go to setting, check for update. If it is getting some install and kb series file, so you can download and install easily. Okay, like this is kb2262, any it's showing, you can install and first download and then install it. Next guys, you properly check connectivity from your system to camera. When you connect camera to your system, so kindly check it is say getting some alert and or sound. Okay, so this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator, then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last.